Hey, how you guys doing? Hey, this is Garrett O'Brien here with Strong Roofing. I'm here with Kendall Wilson. We're doing a repairability test today for Conrad Pridgen. During this test, we are going to film this area here. We've already marked it out. This is a discontinued shingle, so we're going to be going back with a 3-tab. It's going to be the closest fit. This is going to be the shingle we're removing, breaking these seals above it and replacing it and seeing how it goes. So Kendall's going to film while we're going today. Change it over. There we go. That looks, so tilt it just a little bit more. Twist right. Hold me right. Right there should be perfect. Yep, hold me right there. All right, so here we go. So we're gonna break the seal on the shingle. Great. Shingle's breaking loose. Great. Get this next one on. Shingle coming right up. Fantastic. All right, let's get out some nails. All right, let's get our next row of nails. Should be able to slide this shingle right on it. There she goes. All right, so again, I want to make a clear comparison between the shingle that we are replacing this with. So as you can see, this is the shingle I just pulled out. It's a 4-tab discontinued shingle. They do not make this kind of shingle anymore. Our closest match is going to be a 3-tab. We're going to try to put this back in its spot. Obviously, it's not going to seal back down where the old shingle was because they don't have the same uniformity. But let's put it in and see if this is an adequate repair. All right, Kendall. As far as length goes, length fits pretty good. So you can tell while I'm putting these back in, you can already see the lines beginning to form right here, showing this shingle's way too brittle for me to make these repairs. I'm lifting these shingles approximately 45 degrees, just enough to hold a nail and drive them in on the nail strip on the shingle. And you can tell these shingles will not be re-adhering as they should. Kendall. Thank you, sir. So this is our finished results. Again, you can see just obvious breaking of the shingles that's occurred from our repairability test here. This does not match whatsoever. It is not the right type of shingle. Although the color matches, the shingle does not fit with a 4-tab. It's a 3-tab. It's an inadequate repair. You can see exposed sealant underneath. You can also see in the old shingle that the sealant is removed from the previous shingle that was sitting here, which means that this shingle is not going to seal back down like it's supposed to. This is an inadequate repair. It definitely is not repairable. Thank you so much. The other thing I want you to point out here is that we're operating on the front slope of this roof that is woven with the both right and the left slopes, and that this shingle is all intertwined. There's wind damage scattered across this roof. This roof is absolutely way too brittle and not repairable. Thank you so much. We appreciate your time.